Hi everyone, it's Shell from Scrap Secrets and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul from MFT and then we're gonna make a card after it. So I'm gonna get right into it. This is the packaging. Oh, there's my little jelly bean that just fell out. And I am going to slide everything out of here because this is super cute and I always keep the tissue paper. I don't really do anything with it yet. I need to see if I can do something. Okay, and I got some more of this paper, so we're definitely going to use this to do some more of the labels. Okay, so it looks like Emily packed my order, which I love. I love when the companies put these little cards in there. It's really cute. Okay, so these things were all on sale. I don't remember if it was a retirement sale or what, because my brain is just scrambled from the work week. But I got these things. This one is Sweet Birthday Girl, and I apologize if you see Lucy. She is sitting right below the camera. But this one is Sweet Birthday Girl. How cute is that? You know I love the Pure Innocence ones. And this one is a little something something. And I thought, how adorable with the card on here. You could do so much. You could put something for Christmas on there, birthdays, a Mother's Day, Father's Day, anything like that. That would be really cute from the girls, which I'm sure my friends are now laughing at that. And if you're new here, I have 4 nieces who I always call the girls, who I buy things and I always say, oh, it's for them. And my friends make fun of me for that because they're like, oh, you buy everything for the girls. And it's kind of my justification for a lot of this stuff. Okay, so this one is called Friendship Goals. And how adorable with the cookie. Just so cute. And then I got 2 dies, just the ticket and You're Essential. I already have these stamp sets, but these dies were, I think, like $2 or $3, so super inexpensive. And then You're the Sprinkles to My Frosting. So cute. Another Pure Innocence one. I don't think I have this one. Here is a Happy Birthday. This is an arched Happy Birthday where you can just put the letters in. What you can do is run this through your die cutter, then run it through with the embossing mat with this on it, and then you can place the letters perfectly in there. So because it doesn't cut them out over here, doesn't give you lines, or you can just do, you can take the negative piece of this, place it over this, and pop the letters in like a puzzle piece. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. This one is Abracadabra. Adorable. And of course, I had to get a cat one. So this one is Best Friend Forever. And these little kitties, so cute. And little puppy. Oh, a little kitty, little puppy, and then, what is that? I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a little like hamster or something? I don't know. I probably should read the sentiments. Gonna probably tell me. This one is Sweet Shop, and I have the honey, I think it's the honeybee cake shop or like bake shop builder. So these would be really cute for that. I also got the coordinating dies with that. This is the Sweet Shop dies. And then, of course, I got mermaids because the girls love mermaids. They love mermaids, unicorns, rainbows, anything like that. And this is called Bubbly Birthday. And then I got the Christmas tree background. So this is nice because it has the stencil as well as the mask. So you can do, instead of making a mask for this, you can just put this down and then you can use it to do some cool backgrounds. Like you can stamp over it, you can ink over it. And then the last thing that I got is the Do It All gift tag. So this is really cute. I do have a corner gift tag, but this is, for the card. Now this one will make a tag and then it'll have the corner on it. So I thought these would be really, really cute for craft fair stuff. So now that you've seen everything that is from MFT, I am going to flip the camera down and we are going to make a card with one of the new products. Here are the 2 tags that we're going to make. I used the MFT tag set that I showed you a little bit earlier. I cut out 2 pieces for the base, the pocket, and then for one I did a little bit more stepped up version. So you're going to want to make sure that you do the pocket the correct way. I did it the incorrect way the first time. You want to make sure it goes like that, not the other way that I showed you. So I cut out, and we're going to assemble the first one, the Christmas tag one first. I am taking the pocket piece, which I cut out of the tree pattern paper, and I'm reinforcing the score lines for the pocket. And then we're going to put the layers of the tag together, the back. So you'll notice that the striped paper, I didn't cut out the whole top of the tag. It's because, again, I cut out the pocket in the wrong direction. So I only had a 6x6 piece of paper. This is what was left over, but we're going to cover it up with the other piece. So I did a full piece for the back, and then I'm putting this one on top of it. So the tag is a little bit sturdier. If you have colored cardstock, or if you want to use thicker cardstock, you can do that and only do one layer, but I wanted it to be a pretty heavy tag. Now I put a little bit of that Honeybee Bee Precision or Be Creative Precision glue behind that tree cutout piece, put that on, and then the reinforcer, I cut that out from the green striped paper as well. So I'm just going to let that dry because that's wet glue and it will take a little bit to dry. I'm going to put the topper piece on there. This is where you can put your to or from. You can decorate this a little bit more, put a character on there, put a saying. I am now putting the Be Creative glue on the edges, the 3 edges of the pocket, and then I'll hold that down. I think I even use my bone folder to make sure that the edges are pressed down nice and firm. And I'm going to give that a minute to dry. I'm going to put that to the side. Since it is wet glue, it will take a little bit longer for it to adhere. You can also use some of the tape like ATG. I just had this out on my desk and I decided to use that. So that is the Christmas tag. Now you can use the piece that I'm showing you there. You can use that on the back to write a message, to make a scene, to do a little something on the back of it. We're going to do the exact same thing to create this tag, but it's a little bit more basic. So I'm going to go and crease the edges with my bone folder, and I did a solid color back. I picked a gray that kind of went with some of the hearts, and we're going to put that together so you don't have to use pattern paper on both sides. So this is nice. You don't need to cut out an extra piece. If you want to write a message, you can write it right on the back. And then I cut out this cloud piece, and I'm going to use my Be Creative glue to glue that down just like I did in my other one. I'm also going to use the hole reinforcer to put on top of there. You don't have to use this piece. This one I used one less piece than the other one. I didn't put a topper on this because I thought the clouds and the word dream was so cute on this tag. So it'd be perfect for a baby shower, a baby gift, a nice gift card could stick down in there, put some money. Really, really adorable. These are quick and easy to make. I will be making these for my craft show because I think they're adorable. Add a little bit of string and a little tag that says to and from, and you are done. So that is 2 tags, and this was fairly quick. It took me about 10 minutes once I picked all the pattern paper. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below, and I'll see you again real soon for another video. Bye!